What's up, y'all? Real Deal with Akins. Why with his custom accessories? Got Brady filming, and he's dubbed this one as the IRONMAN Covert Edition. So I think it works perfect. If Tony Stark was going to drive a Ford F-150, he would definitely be driving this one. So I'm gonna reach out to him and see if we can get him in this sweet ride right here. And Brady had a good thing too, y'all. Let me know what you think about this. Maybe doing like a Marvel series. We could do like a Spider-Man, a Batman edition, Coverter Everest. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below and we maybe can make that happen. So I guess, y'all, this has instantly became the IRONMAN Covert Edition. So we'll have to see about trademarking, but I think it works very well. It looks just like it. So Rapid Red 2021 Akins Ford F-150 XLT, 14th gen, lots of custom work. Let's dive right in. So up front, this is that pesky, ugly looking gray grille from the factory. So basically did Rapid Red throughout, kept the back lay black, and look at this emblem, y'all. How custom and phenomenal is that? You got the nice gold, and we actually laser scan the wheel to match the same paint. So this paint is essentially just like the wheel finish. So that's the next level, y'all. Did Rapid Red throughout, removed texture on this border perimeter to really make it look the way it should be. So this front end to me works so well. You got the LED signature lighting across there. This being the sport package, y'all, you got body color bumper up front, and you have forward park sense finally on the 2021. The option now, you can get the forward park sense. So coming around to the side, this side badge, the teardrop, as I like to call it, functional heat extractor. We did this border perimeter area here, Rapid Red as well. That looks so great. Basically, this is the same gray finish that the front grille has, so we wanted to get rid of that to make it look more premium, which it now is. All right, leveled on 34s, y'all. Leveled on 34s via Roush Fox 2-inch coilover suspension leveling kit, the best in the business currently for the 14th gen F-150. This works essentially from a 15 to a 21. So if you have a 15 and up F-150, this is the kit to go with, in our opinion. 295 60/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler. We love that tire. It's so phenomenal. It looks great, rides great also. My man, KMC Technic wheel. Now this wheel, this finish is phenomenal. I love the fuel wheel finish. They're bronze, but this KMC, it looks great also. This is the Technic wheel. Y'all, it looks like it has a little bit of a Jeep, truck, and Mustang vibe all in one. The split spokes design reminds me of a Mustang wheel. This border perimeter has an off-road vibe to it. And then just these new little pockets here are very popular on the Jeep scene. So this is a new wheel. You'll be seeing more of it. We actually put this on one of our Cactus Gray Rangers, so check that video out also. They look phenomenal on it too. We did all black on that one. So Brady, back up and let's show them a good side shot. Truly leveled out. And then Rapid Red, y'all. You know I'm a race red guy, but this Rapid Red looks great too. It has a lot more metallic in it. It's a tri-coat paint, so it just looks great. It's a really good color, especially when done with some accents. Now on this color, you can do a bronze wheel, a black wheel, or even a silver wheel. You can accent it however you want to with some correlating components painted the same. So that's a good thing to look at. But the gold and Rapid Red has been very popular with us here at Akins. Now out back, we got rear wheel well liners in the rear to really just clean up that unfinished look in the back. We love doing that. Again, a sport 4x4. We've got an Akins liner and an undercover Ultraflex trifold. And look at this rear, y'all. That looks so good. The emblem done this way with the blue to Rapid Red and the chrome gold. That border being gold really just pops on the tailgate. So looks so good. I don't know what my favorite part of this vehicle is, the front, back, or the side. I guess I like it all, y'all. So a mild to wild scale, let's show them, Bray. So we are in that conservative range via a plus 20 offset. So we're sticking out ever so slightly, just enough to give you a little bit more stronger and confident foundation. So handling's definitely improved on this versus a factory setup. So you gotta love that. Now on the inside, all we needed to do was slap some WeatherTech floor mats in there, and we did opt to do a cat skin leather. So we did some leather seating on the inside. So basically, this is a Lariat truck with a lot of goodies. So you're getting a XLT truck with a Covert package at an XLT discount. So this truck is in that sweet spot we found here at Akins of value, because you get the discount plus all the options on a one-of-one true custom truck, the Ironman edition, as Brady wants to call it. I love it, y'all. All right, let's show them one more little walk around. We'll be done with this one. We've done several different renditions, as I've said, and definitely my favorite one is found here. It just looks so great all the way around. We got the best level kit you can put on one. Just looks and handles as well as it looks. So everything is there on this one. All right, y'all, so you probably heard some things about inventory across the country not being adequate, and we are feeling that a little bit, but we still are your leader as far as inventory in the Southeast for all your Ford needs. So we got the Tony Stark Ironman Covert Edition ready to roll. It's hitting the lot today. Today is Saturday. God, can you believe it is May 1st already? That is crazy, y'all. But we've got several more coming up this month of our F-150 Covert line, so we appreciate you guys watching. We got a lead foot we're about to shoot next, so be sure to check that video out. All that and more. Why Willies at Akins. I'm Real Deal. Thanks for watching.